Automotive. Some of you guys, particularly in the Midwest, have a lot of automotive business. Stamping plants, anybody that's stamping out fenders or doors or hoods or anything like that, they use abrasives to keep the stamping dies in good working order. Any type of imperfection that's in the die, they've got to grind it out, weld it, fill it, make it look like the rest of it, because whatever they're stamping, it's going to wind up on that part and it's going to show up in the paint. There's also handling defects that happen when you're moving things around the plant. All these parts have to be inspected. They all have to be finished so that they can get painted properly. Assembly plants, same thing. There's spot welding, maybe in a visible area that you got to get touched up. MIG or TIG welding that's got to be touched up somewhere. Discs are used a lot for applications like that. Tools, die grinders, orbital sanders, things like that. Angle grinders, lots of discs. And then also like for collision shops, for paint work, sticky discs on orbital sanders, lots of opportunities in automotive.